Hi everyone, welcome to the Xoro guide for voiding an invoice. In this quick little guide, we're going to go through how to void an invoice. So I have one open here. So if I just go options, void on the top right, it's actually going to say that you'll have to remove all the inventory lines before voiding. So you have to return them to their locations before voiding. So the quickest way to do this, especially if you have multiple rows, right now I only have one, but if you had multiple, just select them all like this. Click options and then void batch lines. And then if you have a 3PL connection or just a single location WMS, just select your location that you want to return the item to and go void selected lines. And now you can go options, void, and your invoice has now been voided. So just keep in mind that the invoice will still remain in the audit trail, but once it's been voided, it'll actually be gone from the accounts receivable, and it won't exist anymore in the invoice center.